Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, after the walk on the mountain with Harry, this was Monday afternoon and we were back in the garden. That week after Crinkle's death, I didn't want to do anything, but the cats had grieved. They were past it, they'd moved on, apart from Scoots, and it was business as usual. The business being playing. In a way, it was good to have them around because it got me out. Instead of sitting there dwelling. So this is Hugo. For anyone that doesn't know, Hugo is blind, and Hugo is a great character. When he first arrived, he wouldn't leave my bedroom, and he spent days walking around the perimeter wall of my bedroom. He was too scared to come out.
Dad cat.
This is Dad Cat.
You keep leaving the wife
I don't know what
behind.
his real name is. It was Boomer's dad. And there's Harry, who's also blind. Harry had no such reservations when he arrived. He came out of the cage, jumped straight onto my shoulders, and he hit the ground running. Blind cats are all different. Some of them are bursting with energy, some of them have confidence, some of them are more reserved, they're shy, they're nervous. They take time to adjust to their new surroundings. So I was sitting in the garden filming quietly, and Harry found me again. The blind cats always find me. When I sit down to film, if I'm sitting on the ground, if I'm sitting in a chair, they find me. Usually it's William, but Harry's very good at it as well. And then it has to be, well, me and Harry. I can't do anything else. I have to give him my full attention. When Hugo's in the garden, you'll see his head moving up and down and left and right. He listens to everything. Everything is fascinating.
William.
Every noise, every bird flying past, he soaks it all up.
William.
Now here comes William. And William's blind. William is my senior blind cat. He was one of the first, well, he was the very first, him and his brother, the original Harry. Hugo loves the grass. Some of it is getting taller now, and he sits in there and all you can see is his head. But he just loves being in the grass. Well, grass, weeds, but he loves it. I don't think he's ever experienced this before. I don't know much about his past. But it all looks very new to him. He's got a little bit of trouble at the moment with William. there are internal squabbles going on. William isn't happy with Hugo and Momo. Harry, Scoots and Fergus aren't happy with Ginger and Tiny Tim. Those two, Tiny Tim and Ginger, have never really fitted in. I mean, they've been here since kittens. And Ginger comes out walking sometimes with me on the mountain. Tim rarely does. Tim sits back, he watches, and he might pounce on his sister, but he never really joins in with us. And he's sly as well. He won't come in for his food, he will edge forward slowly until he's right on top of food, whether I'm ready for him or not. And Ginger is the same. She edges forward, or she'll snatch. And it doesn't sit well with Fergus, who's sitting there waiting patiently. I don't know if that's the reason, but there is definitely a little bit of bad blood between the boys and Tim and his sister. Quite what's going on between William, Hugo and Momo, I have no idea. There's Kelly, and there is Pepper over on the right. So you've got two kittens, the junior kitten and the senior kitten. Two lovely cats though. They're just happy to play. Don't get involved in squabbles, fights, stealing food. Pepper. Christmas is on its way. This is the 22nd of December from this video, and then the 23rd, which will be the next video, is Callie's big adventure on the mountain with Scoots. That will be coming up later. I can't do much today anyway. I've got to take Wolfie back to the vets, and the weather is lousy out, so we video. Hope you've all enjoyed this one, everyone, and we will see you all again a bit later.